Okay guys, today we're going to show you a demonstration on how our ProTune system works by Van Handel Archery products. It'll come to you in a box just like this. Everything is secured into the box, everything that you need to set up your bow. First component we have here is the string, the dual axis string level. All right, this is a CNC machined stainless steel component, hand tuned level. Okay, nothing goes out of this factory without these being hand tuned. And what they do is they clip right on the string just like that. Those clip on the string, they'll clip on the thinnest string, the thickest serving, it doesn't matter. They stay right in place. Okay, very accurate tool. These are the ones you get from your pro shop or Cabela's or Bass Pro or even the hardware store or dime store. When they go on the level, go on the string, they're not accurate at all. They flop all over the place. If you go to a tight serving, if you put them on a serving a few times, you know, if you ever used them, they crack. Also very inaccurate. The second part of the system is our center tool and arrow level. Again, all stainless steel components. These are non-contact sealed ball bearings, stainless steel ball bearings. Another CNC machined, very high quality tool. The third part of the system is the center gauge. This screws right into your stabilizer hole. That's all it does. Okay, it's also stainless steel. Now the only thing you have to remove off of the bow before you start to use our system and get your bow tuned up is your stabilizer. Okay, that's the only thing that has to come off. You don't have to take off your sight with all the other systems. If you're going to use a laser, you have to take the sight off. If you're going to want to use one of these, you have to take the sight off. The reason being that there's nowhere to put this thing on here that would lay flat and be accurate. So the first thing we're going to do is level the bow. Okay, so we're going to take our string level. We'll just put it right on the string here, and we'll level the bow fore and aft. Simple as that. Now we're going to level the bow left and right for center shot. Now that's done. Next thing we're going to do is put the stabilizer tool in. Screw this in the hole. Do not use a wrench to screw it in. Okay? If you have to use a wrench to unscrew it, that's fine, but don't use a wrench to screw it in. There's absolutely no need for it. Okay, as soon as it's snug, it's accurate. Don't worry about it. Now we just happen to have a tuning arrow that we use. You can use any arrow. Put the arrow in, and then hang your center tool on the arrow. Okay. Now every time you move that, it's going to go right back to dead center perpendicular. Okay. The bearings are non-contact. Okay, that means there's no drag on them. Okay, so we're about 3/16 of an inch off here. So I happen to have a micro adjustable rest here. We're just going to move it in until we line up with center. Okay. That's perfect. Now we're going to lock it down. Okay? We're done with that part. Now we're going to level it up and down. Okay, it seems it'll be a little bit high. So we'll unlock it. And we'll level the arrow. And guess what, guys? We're done. That's all there is to it. It doesn't get any faster and it doesn't get any easier than that. Thanks for watching. One other thing I wanted to touch on, guys, is some of the levels that you see, the arrow levels, will have a dual line. So they'll have a line here and another one here on each side of the level. So they have two lines on each side of the bubble. What they're trying to do there is they're trying to give you a line for either 1/8 high or 1/8 low on the knock point. Okay, we don't put that on our levels because they're pretty useless. That line is going to read different from a 5-inch brace height bow to an 8-inch brace height bow. Okay? If you have a bow with a 5-inch brace height, the bubble's going to read a lot different on 1/8 of an inch high than it would on an 8-inch brace height bow. Okay? So that's why you will not see two lines on our levels.